In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkbox in DocuSign. By the end, you'll know how to place checkboxes, group them, control how many can be selected, set defaults, and remove them cleanly when needed, all while keeping your document easy for signers to complete. Start in the DocuSign Prepare tool with your document open. On the left-hand panel, locate the checkbox field. Click and drag it onto the exact spot in your document where you want a signer to confirm, opt in, or acknowledge something. If you're assigning fields to a specific recipient, make sure that recipient is selected before you drop the field, so it's placed for the right person. Quick note while we're here. If you don't have DocuSign open yet, there's a link to the website at the very top of the description to help you get started quickly. To create multiple choices that belong together, use the small plus button next to the checkbox you just placed. Each time you click the plus, DocuSign adds another checkbox into the same group, keeping those choices linked for validation. You can then move each one into place next to your form text, such as yes, no, or I agree, so everything lines up neatly for your signer. With a checkbox selected, look to the Properties panel on the right. Here you can make the field required, which prevents signers from finishing without addressing it. You can add a helpful tooltip to clarify what the checkbox means. Most importantly, you can set validation rules for the group. Select at least, select at most, or select exactly a certain number. For example, select at least 1 ensures a signer makes a choice, while select exactly 2 enforces a specific number when you need multiple selections but not more. If you want a choice to be pre-checked when the signer opens the document, select that checkbox and turn on the default value in the Properties panel. Use this when it makes sense, like pre-selecting a common preference, and remember that signers can uncheck it if needed. Position your checkboxes precisely by dragging them into place. For fine adjustments, use the arrow keys to nudge them so they align perfectly with your text or form lines. One quick design tip. If you need only one option to be selected from a list, switch to radio buttons instead of checkboxes. Radio buttons allow only a single choice by design. If you added a checkbox by mistake, select it and press delete, or click the trash can icon in the Properties panel. That's it, your checkboxes are ready to go. Thanks for watching.